December 7th, Thursday.
Turds Day.
And we are at Sam's Club tonight. Yes, yes. Very exciting.
Samuel's
very
Club level.
exciting. So, Sam's Club has become...
Samuel's.
No, it's very informal here. It's Sam's. There's a couple of cute things that we like to get here. I shouldn't say cute because I'm talking about food items. There's a couple good things that we've been liking to get here for the holiday season. So hoping that they still have some of those things in stock. They also have a big package of the coffee that we drink this time of the year, which is the Starbucks Holiday Blend. We usually drink it through the winter, so hopefully it'll be here and we can get it to keep us going, because the small packs are
teeny tiny packs. They're not even small packs.
Yeah.
Teeny tiny packs.
They're going by quickly. So fingers crossed we can find some fun things. Let's go. All right, so we made it home from Sam's Club. Kind of picked over in the holiday stuff department. Didn't have our coffee from Starbucks, and they also didn't have the peppermint s'mores mix. This is the regular s'mores mix. We normally get the peppermint one because they have it for the holidays, but we have another bag of these that we opened to sample in the car. I actually like the regular ones better. I feel like the peppermint marshmallows in the other one get a little weird after a while, but these so far are really, really good. Also, we saw this and had to pick it up, fried pickles with ranch flavored. Limited time flavor. Haven't seen those before, so grabbed those. Pre-run fuel, some bagels, stock up, and hopefully we'll have some extras that are still good that I could bring with me to marathon weekend, but no promises on that. I got Kinder's The Blend. I've wanted to try this, so we picked it up to give it a try. It's just salt, pepper, garlic. And we got some hot chocolate bombs. We did get these last year, but we did not get a chance to use them because we forgot about them. So this year, hopefully, we will remember. Maybe I should leave them up here. And yeah. We also picked up some salt because we ran out of salt last year and ended up having to use sand. That was fun, right, Dan?
What?
The sand last year because we ran out of salt.
We didn't run out of salt. There was no salt to be had anywhere.
Well, that's true, but we also didn't have any.
Yeah.
So.
Play sand. Worked great.
Yep, until
Left
afterwards.
a mess.
Yep. But the Sabres are going to start soon, and we're going to make some dinner. We're going to have some shake and bake chicken. Classic.
Yeah, shake it before you bake it.
We're also going to have some green beans with it, and pre-made mashed sweet potatoes, because convenience sometimes is key.
Yeah.
All right, let's get to cooking dinner, because we're hungry. I asked Dan at the... we also got... Oh, man. I asked Dan at Sam's if he wanted to look for anything else. He goes, I'm hungry, so I need to go home and eat. I want everything. We got the Southern chicken bites that taste a little bit like, or very close to, Chick-fil-A nuggets. So we need to get some hash browns or potato barrels, the little round disc ones, so that we can make copycat breakfast bowls. Yum. All right, let's get to cooking. All right, this For Science segment is brought to you by Lay's. Fried pickled with ranch flavored. Oh, fried pickles. I said fried pickled. I was like, why did that not sound right? Because I can't talk. It's fine. We're fine. Everything's fine.
Second one. A little bit of pickle. Really good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Are they
ranch finish?
Are they better or not as good as the regular dill pickle chips that we
They're
like.
not as pickly as the dill pickle chips.
Okay.
But you do get like the fried pickle dipped in ranch
Okay.
feel.
Excuse me.
Oh, I'll try some too?
Yeah! Silly goose. Maybe I should have had you grab me one. I'm gonna go in. It's like a chip taco. Pretty good. Not as good as the like regular dill pickle chips, but they're still pretty tasty. Because we
1.5 thumbs up.
yeah, we do like a good fried pickle. A successful for science. Good stuff. All right, it's third period intermission, or sorry, second intermission.
Second intermission.
Why did I say third period?
It's going to third period.
Yeah. Second intermission, Advent time.
Just gonna go around the horn.
It's an ear. Not a horn. It's not a horn, it's an ear.
Ear horn?
Nope. Mickey does not have horns, Dan.
Ear horn.
Nope. Alright. Ooh, the next row.
Yep. Wow. So far away from the table.
You could move the chair.
I could.
You silly
Aunt
goose.
Bethany. Not blasting.
blasting. Play ball.
Go to
Alright.
Broke it again.
Always. Come on. It didn't work.
Ooh.
Oh, you broke it.
I didn't do that. It's a thistle cookie.
Oh, okay.
I saw it on the back that there was a thistle print.
Cool.
All butter shortbread thistle rounds. This is Scotland.
Scotland. Scotland. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? What do we got?
I'd tell you if I knew.
What do we got?
Oh, it's the... Oh, okay. It's the flag post. It's got a little hole there, which I'm assuming you might be able to put Flick into when we get Flick.
Okay.
Maybe it's just a hole. I don't know. But it looks like you should be able to put something... Like it's made to put something in it.
Looks like it.
So, that's that. We'll just have to wait till we get Flick and then we'll figure it out.
Next time.
Alright, everyone. Fingers crossed that the Sabres will do well. I mean, they're doing well right now.
We'll see.
We're up 2-1. So,
1 period left.
one more period, and we shall see what the outcome is. And then we'll let you know tomorrow, maybe. We got something fun to do tomorrow night, so we will bring you all along. Until then,